Hi, my name is Susan Minnick. I am a certified nurse midwife and a licensed acupuncturist practicing in the state of California, Los Angeles, California. I specialize in women's health, reproductive health, fertility, and pregnancy. Today, I'm going to speak about and demonstrate how I do Moxibustion for a breech presentation. In Chinese medicine, channels or meridians flow through the body like our blood vessels, carrying our blood and energy called qi to nourish the internal organs in the body. When a baby is breech, there's some impediment of the blood flow we call stagnation. Moxibustion, which is a heating treatment in Chinese medicine, will increase blood flow and circulation when applied to certain points on the body, and this blood flow and circulation will increase fetal movement. Today I have my Artemisa, my mugwort. We can light it with a lighter. We can light it with a candle. And in a few minutes, I'll demonstrate how this works. And my patient Ashley has been kind enough to let us use her beautiful feet to demonstrate how to do Moxibustion. I'm going to demonstrate how to use Moxibustion for a breech presentation. Mugwort or Artemisa is a Chinese herb for warming and movement of circulation and blood flow. The heat from the mugwort we place gently near the baby toe on bladder 67, a point on the bladder channel that wraps around the body, increases circulation around the uterus, and increases fetal movement. When we do this, we gently put warming heat back and forth on this point, and it increases the blood flow and circulation to the uterus and then to the baby for turning. The best time to do this is between 32 and 34 weeks of pregnancy. We have a lot of research that shows that this is the optimal time, but you can also do Moxibustion up to 39 weeks. I have done it up to term to 39 weeks. As you can see, I'm going back and forth. We can do circular motions. We can do what's called bird pecking. Peck, peck, peck. Peck, peck, peck. Or we can do even. The patient needs to be in a comfortable position. She can be sitting up with her partner at the bottom like the way I am. And then after we do this, 20 minutes a day for 10 days. When we're finished with the Moxibustion, this is a smoking Moxibustion. The smokeless Moxibustion that I have the patients use at home is good for their house because it doesn't have a lot of smoke and odors. Same thing, back and forth. This is charcoal. It's a compacted mugwort, a piece of charcoal. This you put in a pot of dirt, sand, or even rice. You can fill this up with rice and you tap it out. You never use water. And that's it. So thank you for watching our demonstration on how to do Moxibustion for breech presentation. Please follow me at my website, susanminnick.com, and thank you again.